Hi, welcome to Mocha review video. In this Mocha review video, we're talking about absolutely everything that is about Mocha. That is a tool that I need to try out, is a tool that I need to check out, is a tool that will be of benefit to you, or just another tool out there that I need to run away from and not waste your time and money on. We're looking at all of this in this Mocha review video. We're also looking at what Mocha is all about. That is, what are the features, what are the benefits of Mocha, what do you stand to gain using Mocha, and as well looking at users of Mocha, that is, who can actually make use of Mocha. We're looking at all of this in this Mocha review video. Also looking at the pros and the cons, that is the good and the bad side of Mocha. For any product out there that is doing amazing, that is doing well, if you look at it very carefully, you find out that it's also got its own bad side. So we're looking at the interesting part and as well as the bad side of Mocha. We're also looking at the pricing plans, that is the different pricing plans that Mocha has got in store for you, as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what it can actually handle, which is why it is very important for us to the end of this Mocha review video. So I get to show the pricing plans that Mocha has got in store for you. We're also looking at what others are saying about Mocha, that is the present and existing users of Mocha, what they are saying about it, which means you do not necessarily have to listen to all I have to say about Mocha, but you get to see what other users of Mocha are saying about it. We're also looking at my final recommendation as to what I personally feel about Mocha. It's a tool that I need to try out, it's a tool that I need to check out, it's a tool that will be of benefit to you, or just another time wasting and money wasting tool out there that you need to run away from, which is why it is very important for us to stick to the end of this Mocha review video. So I got to show the important tips I'm about to drop about Mocha. Now to Mocha review in full. This is Mocha homepage. This is Mocha homepage. Now what does Mocha actually do? Mocha is actually an AI-powered web application builder and actually allows you to easily create that stunning and fully functional web application for your different needs. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're a freelancer, you're an individual looking to actually create beautiful websites, you can actually make use of Mocha to help to achieve this. Now to the pros of Mocha. Number one, it allows you to easily generate a fully functional app in a few minutes. That is, when you make use of Mocha, you start by typing a short description of what you want. For example, you can actually type like a freelance photographer portfolio with a booking calendar and Stripe payments, or you can upload a screenshot and Mocha's AI reads the text, figure out which pages you will need. That is the home, the gallery, the contacts, the admin, and helps you to create that and next to create a navigation menu, picks appropriate UI components, that is your image, grid, your calendar widgets, your payment form, and even set up the database tables and API endpoints behind the scenes. So in a few seconds, you have a fully functional prototype that you can click through and test without writing any code. Number two, it also provides you with a visual editor with real-time preview. That is, the makers of Mocha. Mocha provides you with a visual editor that works like a live design studio, so you can easily drag components onto your canvas, resize them, change colors, fonts, or even swap images. And every change appears instantly in the preview pane. There is no need to hit to refresh or switch between a code editor and a browser. You see exactly how the final site will look and behave as you work, which makes the design process fast and intuitive. Number three, it also provides you with built-in backend services. That is, with a single click in the Add Feature panel, you can easily turn on a complete production-ready backend. So Mocha provides secure user authentication, the relational database tables for storing any data you need, XP compatible file storage for images or documents, and fully integrated Stripe payment processing for e-commerce. All of this is ready to use out of the box, so you never have to write server code or configure external services. Number four, to significantly save you time, money, and stress. That is the time, the money, and the stress that is involved in you trying to actually employ the service of a professional to help to easily enhance your web application generation experience. It actually saves you that time, saves you that money, and as well as the stress. Number five, it also provides you with one-click publishing capability. That is, when you're happy with the app, you can press the publish button. Mocha helps you to deploy it to a secure subdomain or with automatic HTTPS, and you can also attach a custom domain you own in just a few clicks, eliminating the need for any separate hosting providers. DNS configuration, or manual SSL certificate management, so your site goes live instantly and stays secure. Number 6, they've got a great customer support. Now, for any product that you're newly introduced to, there's likelihood that you might encounter some difficulties while trying to use it for the first time. That's where the customer support comes in. They're always available to you whenever you contact them to help to resolve whatever issues, whatever difficulties that might be having, so they can have a smooth and great sale. Number 7, it also provides you with analytical insight into how users interact with your site. That is, every Mocha hosted app comes with built-in page view analytics, customizable event tracking, and performance metrics. All of this data updates in real time on a dedicated dashboard, giving you instant insight into how users interact with your website without needing any third-party analytics code. Now to the cons of Mocha. As I thought making this Mocha review video, I've not really found any bad side as to Mocha. But for any product out there that is doing amazing, that is doing well, there is always room for improvement. So I feel Mocha can actually be better. They can actually improve on their services. Probably they can actually cover more features as opposed to number of features that they cover. As I thought making this Mocha review video. Now to the pricing plans of Mocha. The breast minimum plan for you to get started with Mocha is $20 per month. The breast minimum plan for you to get started with Mocha is $20 per month. With one-sided pricing plans as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what they can actually handle. And for you to see the pricing plans are most stable for your own usage, there's a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing for the various packages and the offers, and as well as the discounts that they come with. You want to see different pricing plans that Mocha has got in store for you, as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what they can actually handle. And for you to see the pricing plans that are most stable for your own usage, there's a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing for the various packages and the offers, and as well as the discounts that they come with. Like I said before, the breast minimum plan for you to get started with Mocha is $20 per month. Now, to the users of Mocha, this is Drew. Drew said, Mocha has been very helpful in making my ideas a reality, in that it simplifies the technical aspect of building applications. Nick, the CEO, has been directly helpful on multiple occasions, even hosting a meeting to help me personally. All right, this is Derek. Derek said, Mocha allowed me to take my business dreams and turn them into a reality. Out of every website builder I tried, not one had the commitment and dedication to helping their customers succeed like Mocha. And for that, I'm incredibly grateful. All right. Now to my final recommendation as to what I personally feel about Mocha. I'll say it's got a web platform that is reasonably easy to use. It's highly efficient for empowering you to instantly turn a simple description of your idea into a fully functional, custom designed web application with built-in backend services, enabling rapid iteration, real-time collaboration, and one-click publishing without writing any code to save you time and stress and also get you the best out of your effort by exponentially enhancing your web application generation experience, as such, making you be at the top of your game. It also got a great customer support, like I said before. It's got a great customer support. They're always available to you whenever you contact them. And as well, it's also got a free trial. So you want to try Mocha for free, we've got a free trial for you. So there's no risk involved. You are safe. I'll say again, they are worth it because they serve the primary function of an AI-powered application builder out there. Now, for them to answer about Mocha, if you Mocha is something like to try out, something like to check out, something you want to use to enhance your web application generation experience, there's a special link in this video description that you can actually click on right now to get started at a very unusual discounted price that you won't find elsewhere. You want to try Mocha, once what Mocha can actually do for you, there's a special link in this video description that you can actually click on right now to get started at a very unusual discounted price that you won't find elsewhere. Thank you for watching my video review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you've got any questions or any inquiries about Mocha, don't forget to make use of the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to attend to each and every question asked. Thank you for watching my video review once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.